Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can easily open a snapshot folder on your ELGATO Facecam MK.2. So first, what you guys need to do is open up the camera hub. And now we want to take a couple of pictures so I can show you how it works. Now there's one, as you guys can see. Now there's the second one. So now let me open the folder by clicking this little button here. Almost in the middle, as you guys can see here, we have 4 snapshots. Let me show you guys. Here we have the first one, the second one, and this is how you can easily open up this folder. So that would be it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.